That's a mouthful of goodness.
Guys, so we're checking in now from 2 million Smokehouse. Right? 2 million Smokehouse. And yeah, we're gonna have some barbecue. It smells good. We see a lot of people here. A lot of people are in line. So that's a good sign that the food must be delicious. It smells good, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food, and lifestyle videos. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right down below and stay tuned for what we eat at 2 million Smokehouse. 2M? Well, I thought the M stand for million. 2M.
That's 8 ounces? We do a 4. Wait, here we go.
On the list. He was in the freezer, he said. And then I don't know. He tells the story. Look at that guy called Cowboy over there. Talks like a
Make
cowboy.
your side first.
I hear
Well, I was gonna do the chopped brisket sandwich with the corn on the side, yeah. And then I'll do the sweet corn on the
Chopped special?
I'm assuming the barbecue sauce?
Yeah, yeah.
You want bread as well for your side?
Yes, yeah.
You want more?
That's fine.
That's fine.
You have like pickles too?
The pickles are gonna be on the side. I love the pickles, but they'll be on the side.
On the side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They'll be on your tray.
Okay, sure, we'll get it.
Do you want a soda?
What's that?
Or what? There's water in the cooler right there, as well as Coca Chico, but if you want soda, there's soda right here. Okay, water. Water?
Thank you.
Is this all you guys are here?
Yeah.
And if everything's alright, then I'll take your card from you.
Yep.
So how can I help you?
Were you guys open that smoke? Because I went and sat on the table, that was left on this, probably one of the customers.
Thank you. I hope they didn't. And then if anything's right for me, you just set up. And then do you want the receipt? Got some pickles. I knew you were gonna get that.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so our food is here. Some nice pickles. Yeah, this sandwich looks good. Alright, let's say our prayer first. You wanna sip? You wanna pray?
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
Whoa, that's different. I don't know about this guy sometimes. This is like,
Can't even talk. This ribs smacking good. How's the brisket?
it's good. It's really.
Yeah? Take a piece. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite. It's so good.
These pickles are good too.
It's well done. So good. Oh, that brisket looks good coming out.
Oh, you just ruined it. When they give you teriyaki sauce?
All right, let's try the other stuff. What's this called again? Street corn.
Street corn, yeah.
It's called street corn.
Try that first.
May I have a spoon?
Oh yeah, sorry.
The mac and cheese, good.
Yeah, very good.
So the Mexican, them know what them are doing.
Here's the spoon, sorry.
It's fine, I'll use this. There you go, guys. You know I'm not leaving you out. Open your mouth, take a bite, some street corn.
This is what Texas is about, barbecue.
Yeah, some really good barbecue too. The brisket that we had at Black Beans? The place that we went to the day when I came. Black Bean? Yeah,
The
their
burnt
brisket,
bean.
Burnt bean. Their brisket.
Burnt bean
gosh.
is banging.
Trust me. I'm so sorry that I didn't do a vlog there, but maybe because I was just too hungry to vlog. Here guys, there's a mac. Yeah, yum yum yum.
Yeah, I don't think this is on the level of burnt bean, but
In terms of the brisket.
there's everything.
Yeah.
The brisket's good, but no, yeah, burnt bean is like the burnt bean one I think is a little smokier too.
Yeah.
Oh, let me try a rib.
Go ahead.
Let me see. Can I try this one? Yeah, that one looks really good, so maybe.
Do you know what you think?
Good.
It's good or great? But not feel you. I'm not
It
feeling
needs just a tiny bit more smoke, but it's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. It's tasty to me. Not too dry, succulent.
No, but this is what you want.
Yeah.
With the tenderness, it's tender, but it has a little bite. That's what you want in a rib.
Yeah.
So I give those ribs like a solid like 8.59, you know, I would say
Yeah.
somewhere around there.
But this street corn has something going for it though. I like the street corn.
Yeah, we should have more of that.
What, street corn?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try the pickles.
Beans are decent.
The beans. I'm tasting everything, guys, so I can tell you my ratings, like out of 10, you know, for everything.
Here, if you want, you can make a little sandwich.
This is cornbread.
It's just bread. It's just a.
Maybe my glasses is giving me. Oh, my glasses. No, it's not
Dang,
that.
those guys are eating big. Holy.
But they are big.
Well, people tend to be at barbecues. They got a damn feast over there.
Yeah, Briskets saying the guys behind us have a whole lot of food. So I'm saying, well, their size match their plate. So they gave us like 2 slices of bread, you know, so we can like
It's
make
just
sandwich.
it's just a thing. Yeah, you just eat bread with the barbecue and.
But here what now, guys, I showed you what I got, and guess what, your girl got to dig in and enjoy the rest of the food. All right, so I'll tell you how it goes after I'm through. I'll give you my ratings. Well, I can give it to you now. So far I've tasted everything, and I'll definitely say I'll give the ribs a solid 9 out of 10. You know, the street corn out of 10, 10 out of 10. The mac and cheese, I give that 8 out of 10. Pickles, you know, taste the same as usual. And I'm going to try the...
Mac needs more flavor. It's got good texture though.
Yeah, it's alright.
But it needs more flavor.
Alright, I'm going to try the brisket sandwich.
You want pickles on it?
No, I'll just try it like this.
Okay, but after you make
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the brisket sandwich, guys. I'm going to take a bite, tell you what I think. That's a mouthful of goodness. Trust me, this is really good. Wait, you finished your slice already?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. I love brisket, guys. Let me know if you also love our brisket. The first time I had brisket was last year, November, when you carried some of your Thanksgiving leftovers for me in Sarasota. That was good. Yeah, this is really good though. Alright guys, so the brisket, I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. Brisket sandwich, 10 out of 10, yeah.
I wonder if this one
But
only...
I'm gonna finish enjoying this food. Alright, so catch you later. Alright guys, you know when I just started out, I was really bummed up about eating this barbecue. But to be honest, my belly full. I'm a feel. It's a funny feeling. What Brett was saying to me is that it's because of the fat. Like I'm eating heavy food, so it might make me feel a bit like, what should I say?
You just feel tired, like you've just eaten a lot, you feel slowed down.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
I mean,
but that's why you can, you know, the pickle thing like pickles, that's why you eat it with barbecue, because the acid in it kind of
but
helps
trust
cut
me,
the
as
fat.
much as I like ribs, we can't go any further. I can't go any further, guys.
Texas got the best of you. She not used to it, y'all. She not used to it.
Oh, Siri just said, could you say that again? But anyway, guys, yeah, the food was tasty. I can't go any further. I think it's just too much. Everything right here just too fattening, so it just caused me to just feel full easily, or should I say it's cloying, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it for me. The barbecue was good. I would recommend people to come to 2 million 2 million 2M. Why do people want to 2 million? 2M Smokehouse. Where is it located, Briskets?
It's located it's like the south east side.
Southeast side of
Yeah,
San Antonio.
southeast side,
Yeah,
yep.
man. But just put in your Google Maps 2M Smokehouse. Can't go wrong, because your girl is telling you the truth. I mean, not brag about things when I go so, because not like I'm getting compensated. And another place I'd recommend is Burnt Bean.
Burnt Bean is even
Yeah.
better, but that's in
Yeah.
Seguin.
Yeah, Seguin.
So it's in in between Austin and San Antonio, but
Yeah.
but Burnt Bean's on another level. That's even better.
definitely. Top notch.
Yeah, really good.
I will drop a picture to show you the food. I did not do a vlog, but the food was good. No lies.
She was digging in too quickly. Wasn't even thinking about you guys. I'm just kidding.
Yeah guys, but that's it for the video for San Antonio. This is my last barbecue in San Antonio. We not eat no more barbecue. This is my second one, so that's it. We not get fat, go back to Jamaica. Alright? So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment. If you're in the San Antonio area, let me know in the comment section. Or if you're planning on visiting San Antonio, let me know. Alright guys? See you on the next video. Peace.